Here we go. Zachary and Alexis at play, day one. What do we have today, Zachary?
We have Titanic sinking.
A Titanic sinking. How'd you build your Titanic? What's it made out of?
First, I'm going to show you how we built it.
Oh, okay. How did we build it?
We put this part on glass. This is our first part that we put on right here. Excuse me.
You go help Zachary.
Put this on Titanic.
What part of the boat is that?
The bow of this boat. We're building the bow right now. Now we're connecting the bow right here.
Where's the bow?
The front of the ship.
The front of the ship, not the back of the ship?
No. The back of the ship's the stern, Dad. No, me.
Yeah, what are you doing today, Alexis?
On dryer.
You got your hair dryer? You're gonna do your hair?
Stop it! I'm not. That is funny. That's gonna be the funniest part of the video.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Alexis.
We're putting the wall.
Zachary's still building the Titanic.
She's ready to sail.
So she's ready to sail.
I'm just gonna give them a good view of it.
Okay, what year are we?
1912, 2009. 1912, April 14th.
April 14th, 1912. On January 15th, 2009.
Yeah. Oh, that's it again. Okay. Show her what she's doing right now.
Okay, now the Titanic's afloat.
No, I can't. Iceberg right ahead!
Captain Zachary's floating his iceberg. Oh no. Describe what's happening.
She hit iceberg.
Oh no, it hit the iceberg. It's sinking. I see it bobbing. There it goes. Bye-bye, Titanic.
Stop rolling!
Okay, that was season 1 of Zach and Alexis in the Titanic.
No.